All right, we just got on the Disney Dream. Finally, we are in Stateroom 7036. All right, Faith, do the magic. Here we go. We haven't been in the room yet, so. All right. Here we go. He's holding the door open. Hello, hello. And I don't have anything to hold the lights. We're a little slacking today. We just came in, got on the ship, and went straight to the room. So anyway, it is a deluxe ocean view veranda stateroom. There we go.
I can't grab it.
You can grab it. You can do it.
We do it the wrong way.
It's the wrong way. We can still do it. Safety lock. Is it up, down? Did I lock it?
Yes.
Okay, unlock.
Nope.
It's been a while. Gosh, it's been like 2 years. So yeah, we kind of forgot how to
Open a door.
open a door. So here we go. This is where we'll be spending quite a bit of time. Right here. It's a cloudy, overcast day. I think by now it was sunny earlier, but it's okay. I'm getting on a ship. I don't care what the weather's like. That's my point of view. I will be getting on again in a couple weeks, So we've got our artwork. I don't think they've done any upgrades since we were on here last. No. So this will be Faith's bed. This will fold down into pretty much a good sized bed. She will definitely fit on it.
Table.
Your table. They used to have an open chest that opened.
In the bigger rooms.
Yeah. So you had a chair for like a desk. A drawer with some important phone numbers.
I don't know where rooms are.
Room,
Also
this is important. This is for coffee in the morning.
I don't know where the book is. Or they got
That was, open up. That's our hair dryer that we will be using. There we go. Some extra cabinets. We're not going to really take anything out of the suitcases. So, that's for the dryer. And we've got charging stations, and these are light switches. Welcome aboard, pantry family. This is our bed. Got the nice. I love these little lamps with a little touch of Mickey right here.
Faith, I got your stuff. Cats go away. Yes.
Oh, my name is actually on the phone. Nice.
Christy Pantry.
I am. That is moi. Connecting door, which we are not using. And we have, special guest, Mickey Mouse right here. We also have Minnie and Donald with us. And here is the shower. So. Oh, yeah, they got these now. The big tub things of.
They're heavy.
Yeah, they're big. Of the
Someone
soaps.
pointed out that they actually have an electrical outlet for the
They do.
shavers.
Shavers. That's not for us ladies, sorry. We have Mickey. Actually, it could be Minnie.
Should be some hidden ones
with the
in there.
little one right there with the, looks like a little bow. It could be Mickey or Minnie.
DC turns off if that's what
And you also have Mickey on the towels. All the towels have Mickey. And you have your lotion. Oh, they put the lotion here. This is a makeup towel. And just some face towels. Some facial soap. The closets are right here to hang up your clothes if you feel like it. On a 3-nighter, you kind of just wing it. And your life vests are up there. You don't have to go to your muster station anymore. One person from your party has to go check in, and that is it. So no standing out in the heat anymore and waiting. Here you go. We have your safe. So if you brought like any valuables like extra jewelry and stuff that you plan to wear on the cruise or your wallet, and you want to just leave it in here, you can put it right in here.
So
And it'll be.
our assembly station's a Walt Disney Theater.
Oh, cool. Okay. So, Station A. Yeah, we always end up with a theater. We're forward. You can hang up swimsuits or towels or anything you want in here. I love these. The little rails on the
That's neat.
on the shelves, because it holds, if the water gets rough, it holds your stuff up here so it doesn't like slide off. And they've got
Little
your hand soap here and some more of these shelves, little shelves in here. And they have your safety, washing your hands. So Disney actually has some of the bigger staterooms compared to other cruise ships. So, and here's kind of like the layout of the ship for everybody. Or Assembly Station A, and they kind of go over the directions. And it shows you where you are, like right.
You are here.
We are here. I am here. I am on the ship. But I'm really not on the ship until it starts to leave. So the process to get here is not that bad. And you know, just stop here, you stop here, you stop there, you swab this, you go park, you wait, you get your yay or nay, and you either go home or you get on the ship. So you see where we are. We are on the ship. And here's this beautiful little blanket.
They will take that on the last night of the cruise.
Yeah, they will. They take it on the last night of the cruise. Because
like
people like to steal them. So, oh, and then we have this. So this is the nice separator for Faith. That way we get up in the morning and early and go have coffee. You know, we don't want to wake her up.
It gives us more stuff to wake her up. It makes a lot more noise.
Oh, I know. Wake her up, wake her up. You ready to go on a cruise?
Heck yeah.
All right. You ready to go on a cruise?
Oh, yeah.
I've
All right.
waited how long?
Did you put the beer up?
Yep. Are you ready to go to cruise?
I'm going to cry, so don't.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one, everybody. We will see you on the flip side.